Hi guys, you're watching Dictation Atif Jamil. Today, I'll be sharing with you a 14-day weight loss challenge that can help you shed 5 kgs in just 2 weeks. This challenge is perfect for those looking to get in shape for a special occasion, like a wedding or event. Many of my clients have successfully used this challenge to achieve significant weight loss, and I'll even share some testimonials with you. If you're interested in personalized diet plans, you can reach out to me at atifj1122@gmail.com or WhatsApp me at the provided number. So, let's dive into the 14-day weight loss challenge. Before we get into the meal plan, let's establish some essential rules for this challenge. Firstly, avoid all forms of sugar, including refined and artificial sweeteners. Aim for at least 7,000–8,000 steps daily to stay active. Keep your water intake at a minimum of 2 liters per day to flush out toxins and boost weight loss. With these rules in mind, let's move on to the meal plan. Start your day with a metabolism-boosting early morning drink. You can choose from options like cinnamon tea, lemon water, or apple cider vinegar water. These drinks help stabilize blood sugar levels and kickstart your metabolism. For breakfast, we have a variety of options. You can go for boiled egg whites, with tea or coffee, without sugar, a fresh fruit smoothie, overnight soaked oats, or a vegetable sandwich. These options provide essential nutrients and keep you full until your next meal. Around 11 a.m., have a mid-morning snack consisting of green tea or matcha tea, without sugar. Pair it with 30 grams of roasted macanas, unsalted, for a crunchy, satisfying snack. For lunch, we have several options. You can choose from paneer bhurji, soya bhurji, or egg bhurji. Serve it with lettuce wraps or 1 slice of toast and a side salad. Alternatively, you can opt for a warm soup like tomato, zucchini, or all-veggie soup. Your mid-evening snack can be another cup of tea or coffee, without sugar, or even a healthy smoothie or cold milkshake. Keep it light and avoid sugary snacks. Dinner should be a light, warm meal. You can have soup, such as tomato, zucchini, or all-veggie soup. If you prefer something cold, consider oats or mixed fruits with nuts and seeds. Remember to finish your dinner by 6:07 p.m. Before bedtime, enjoy either chamomile tea or jeera water to improve metabolism and promote good sleep. Chamomile tea is particularly helpful for reducing stress and aiding sleep. And there you have it, a 14-day weight loss challenge that can help you lose 5 kgs in just 2 weeks. Remember to drink at least 2 liters of water each day. Stick to the challenge rules, and maintain your steps target. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment with your questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more weight loss tips, personalized diet plans, success stories, and transformations. Stay healthy and keep watching.